Hey. No, not this one, not this one. No one shares screen. This one.
Hello. Hello, Saya. How are you? Good morning.
Mama, I am good. How are you?
Even I'm fine, Saya. What are you doing?
Coloring. We at you. And what is happening to this?
Good morning, everyone. Good morning,
Good morning,
Hamza.
ma'am. How are you doing today? Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine. Good morning, Abdul Azim. Good morning, Asma. Good morning. How are you, Hamza?
She every time.
Good morning, Asma.
Yes, styles. You made me wanna try.
Good morning, Fatima. How are you? Chalo, everybody turn on your camera. Let me see you.
My camera is on only. You can
Not you,
see me.
beta. Yes, true. Others, what about others? Only Hamza has kept his camera on. Even Fatima. What about others? Zaya, turn on your camera.
I already have my camera on.
But I'm unable to see you, beta. Why is it so?
I don't know that. Share screen.
Asma, turn on your camera. Hello, Fatima, how are you? So tell me. Tell me, how was your Saturday, Sunday? How was your weekends, everyone? How was it?
Wow.
Oh, wow, lovely. So good to see you, Zaya.
Ma'am, I had a great and excellent day.
Oh, wow. What did you do? What about you, Hamza? What did you do?
I went to my friend's house. I went to my cousin's house and then I had fun at my cousin's house. Then I did some homework or handwriting.
Wow, that's lovely. How about you, Hamza? How was yours?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
you know today my one appy is coming to from the Dubai.
Oh, wow. Who's coming from Dubai?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's coming? Arey, but I'm asking you something. Who's coming? My brother. Who?
My not sister. It is.
Oh.
It is. Uh,
Oh, wow, Hamza.
it
That's so
is.
good to hear. Good morning, Shorvi. Good morning, Taha.
Ma'am, it is my khala's.
Oh, your aunt's. Your aunt is coming. Auntie is coming.
Ma'am, it is my khala's
Okay.
daughter.
Okay, she's your cousin.
She
Okay.
have ma'am.
Oh.
Ma'am, she have two.
Okay.
Children
Good
and one
morning. Good morning, Fatima. You. Chalo, good morning, everyone. How are you, Fatima? Doing well. What about you, Fatima? Both the Fatimas. How are you doing? Both of you. Fatima Ansari and Fatima Sanaya. Doing well? Yes. Hello, Hamza.
I am fine, ma'am. How are you doing?
Yes, even I am fine, Bitta. What are you doing, Zaya? Zaya, stop it.
ऑटोमेटिकली हुआ, मैंने नहीं करा, ऑटोमेटिकली हुआ.
Okay. Okay, okay. Chalo, what did we do last time? I hope everyone is doing well and they had a lovely holiday. Computers. But I have started something last time. I hope you remember.
Yes,
What is it? Yes, what is it? Yeah, Fatima. Fatima, that's your favorite. Fatima, you should remember. First, everybody turn on your camera. Turn on your camera first. Abdul Azim. Okay. Asma. Shorvik. Yes. Asma Khatija. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Zaya. Yeah, what do you think? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, who said that? Wow,
Ma'am,
lovely.
scratch.
Ansari, lovely. It was great. It was tiring as well as
Ma'am,
it
we are
was,
learning Excel.
no, we have done Excel, Zaya. Long time ago we have done it. We stopped it.
Ma'am, we are learning about mouse.
Yes.
Mouse works like a normal mouse.
Yes, we
Computer
talk
mouse.
about computer mouse. Then we have done Word. Then we have started with one software. Do you remember anyone?
Yes.
Which?
Yes. Software.
Scratch. What did we do? What did we do? Scratch. Hamza is saying correctly. Yes, Fatima, that's your favorite, na? Yes. Chalo, how many of you raise your hand know how to how to form codes in Scratch? Like how to make animation? How many of you? Zahia Khan knows. Even Fatima, you know.
No.
Yeah, Fatima, even you knows.
Hi.
Hello, Abdul Azim. Hello. Chalo, should we start? Should we start with the Scratch? Scratch. And look, kids, what we will do? Listen first. Right?
Animation.
What are you saying, beta? Wait. First, everybody mute yourself. Hello, Taha. Mute yourself, everyone. Mute yourself. Zaya, mute yourself. Yeah, Fatima, tell me. What are you saying? Fatima, now you tell me. I can't hear you, beta. Can you be little loud?
What is animation?
Annotation means you want to edit. When you want to write something, when you want to you want to make a changes on your screen, right? With the help of a pen, right? So that is annotation. Okay, look, I'll explain you. Fatima, can you see this?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Message.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please read my message?
Yes. Look, Fatima. Can you see my screen, beta? Can you see my screen? Look, I have an option of annotate. Yes. So I am writing your name.
That I know.
I can do the forward with my.
I know.
Okay.
Read the message.
Read the message.
Okay. Wait. I'll just check your message. Okay, beta. Stop it.
Fact.
Just give me 2 minutes, okay, Fatima? Oh, animation. Lovely. Okay, that's your question, beta. I heard annotation. Okay, I'm so sorry. Huh? I heard annotation. Okay, I'll explain you. You'll give me a few seconds. Okay, then I'll explain you. Okay? Yeah, nice question. Look, I'm so happy that Fatima came up with some question. Okay, now the screen is visible to everyone. Tell me, the screen is visible to everyone. What is this? What did I open? What did I open?
Open Scratch.
Yes.
Scratch.
What can I do in Scratch? First, tell me what can we do in Scratch? Why did I
Make
open?
Ma'am, we
Yes.
can make our own game. We can make our own anything.
What? Anything? What? But you are making what?
Game.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Fatima,
we
lovely,
can
lovely.
make games. We can.
Okay, Fatima and others, Zahia, another Fatima, Taha. Can we make short stories also over here? Animated stories?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I love animated.
Yeah, Fatima, listen. Animated series means where the characters are showing movements. They are talking, they are moving. Okay? Okay. Understanding that means animated. It's not still. Like over here, you can see the sprite, the cat over here. That's still. It's not doing anything. So it's not an animated thing. Okay, dear? When there is a movement, then there is a conversation between two characters, three characters talking, moving here, jumping, running. Okay, so this is basically an animation. So should we create a small animation today? Should we in the Scratch? And what we will do, look, next time when we meet.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Yeah, tell me, Rizan.
No, ma'am, I'm not a Rizan. I am Hamza Qureshi. Ma'am, I am going to toilet.
Okay, go. Everybody mute yourself. Chalo, everybody mute yourself. Muted? Okay, muted. Very nice. Chalo. Should we start? This screen is visible to everyone. Let's make a small animation content of birthday. Everybody loves birthday parties, na? Everybody loves birthday party. Am I right? You don't?
Yes.
Yes. You do or you don't? Chalo. Can you see here? Yeah. Over here. Can you see there are different tools given over here? Different things given over here. We have to understand what is this first. Then only we can use the Scratch app. Okay. Scratch application can only be used if we understand what all is there. Look, I have explained you in the last session. This is a stage. Wait, I'll take a mouse. Stage. This part is, I'll just maximize this. Okay. This is visible to everyone, right? This is my stage. And what this cat? Cat is a character in a stage. So whatever character, whatever person, that is known as sprite. That is known as what? Tell me, everyone. That is known as sprite. Okay, but I don't want to take this. I want to change it. I want to take a cake. My theme is what? My theme is birthday party. So look, what am I doing? My theme is birthday party. So look, what am I doing? Go to these. This is first look, kids. First understand this. Looks, this is like what changes you want to make to the sprite. Sound, it is for the like what sound you want to give to the sprite. Events, we will do this. We will do this in detail. Chalo, I'll start. First, I'm starting with the background. I want a birthday party background. Tell me, where should I go? Where should I go? I want a birthday party background.
You can go to backdrop.
Yes, very nice. Backdrop. Yeah. I'm going. Yes, to the backdrop. Chalo, I click.
And there only you could
Wait.
there's food and from there you could take birthday cake.
Yes.
Also take a lot of that. What do we call a lot of?
I am taking a backdrop. What am I doing here? I need a theme. I need a background for birthday party. So there should be balloons. There should be, yes, I got it, party. Can you see this? There are many. You can select anything. But today I am taking my theme as what? I am creating short animation content for birthday party. Look. Oh, wow. Can you see this? Can you see this? Look. Can you see this? I got a backdrop as what?
We need presents and we need
Yes. Now, do I need this sprite? Do I need this character? Tell me, do I need this character? Cat? Do I need this? No, I don't need this. I don't need this. So what? I will take a cake. I want cake. I don't need a cat. What cat will do in birthday party? I'll just delete this.
The cat's birthday party.
Oh, look. Let me see if there is a birthday cake. Birthday cake. Oh, can you see a birthday cake? There is a birthday cake. Look. Oh, wow. Now tell me, do I need this cat? I don't need this cat. So go over here, go down. And can you see the option of delete cross over here? Just click on this and it is gone. Now, what did I get? A cake. Now,
With a party.
yes.
Now
yes.
you need people
Yes.
for.
You
need a present.
Yes, birthday
so
cake.
many
Look, can you
presents.
see everyone? Look at my backdrop and look at my background.
Ma'am,
Look
you
at
need presents.
Yes. Tell what happened?
Ma'am, you need presents.
You need what? Present also? Okay, I'll put it. I'll put it. But
Add
first,
a present and add a small baby cat.
Okay.
People.
okay, people,
Nice.
you want people also. But what I am thinking, first let me do something with this cake and balloons. Let me add some
Have
effect.
us to make the
Yeah,
background ready.
Fatima, what did I say? What is animation? When your things are moving.
Can
Am I
you please send the link of this?
Okay, chalo. Now what am I doing? Look, I am putting some effects.
Can you please send the link of this on
I
Google?
will, beta. I'll share everything. But first, right now you understand what is going on in the class. Okay. Next, I'll send you each and every notes and link. Okay. Chalo. First
Thanks,
part.
ma'am.
Yeah. Can you see this? Can you see this green button and red button? Can you see this?
I love this class so much and it is very important.
Yes, and it's very simple also. Look, I am adding effects to this.
Yes,
Now,
simple.
Fatima, Zaya, what do I want? I want this cake should move. It should move. So look, what am I doing? Go to motion. First, I'll go to control, events, and I'll write whenever I'll take this code. Can you see this? It means whenever you click this flag, green flag, whenever you click this, what will happen? The movement will start. Whatever I want. If I want the cake should go up and down, it will start up and it will start moving up and down. If I want my cake to go left and right, it will. Yes, I will. Wait, na. But did you understand why did I took this block? Did you understand this? Okay.
Yes.
Now my next block, what it is. If you won't understand, I'll repeat it again. We'll just go step by step. Now I will go to motion. Move 10 steps. I'll take it over here. Now look here. What will happen? Look what will happen. Moment I'm pressing my green button. Look what is happening.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, it's moving. Moving. Can you see this? But I don't want such a movement. I want it should move continuously. So what should I do? Are you understanding? Look, what did I do? I have taken these two blocks. These two blocks says what? When you click on the flag button, the cake will start moving. It means only that. Look, it's moving. But I don't want this. I want this cake should move continuously. So look what I have to do. Go to events. Can you see this? Yeah, wait. I'll tell you what am I doing. Can you see this forever? Can you see this forever? Can you see
Yes.
this forever? Yes. Forever means when you clicked on the green button, so your cake will move forever. Got it? Now look. Look.
Ran
Look,
away.
look, look. Wait, I'll just bring it here. My cake, I'll bring it over here. Oh, wait. Where are you going? Wait. Wait. Arey, where is it going? Come here. Okay. It's not ready to come. Now what should I do? It's not ready
Ma'am,
to
you
come.
have to click the. Ma'am, you have to click the red button.
Yes. I did. Look, he's right. You have to press the red button because moment you say you click on the green button, it started moving and it will keep moving. Yes. Moment I press on the red button, it will stop and I can bring my cake to the original place. Very nice, Hamza.
It's like
Chalo.
lock and key. It's like
Yes.
lock and key. When a key gets locked, so it's just fail. And when a key unlocks it, so it continues.
I got it over here. Now, what do I want? I want this cake should move left and right. Understanding? What do I want? I just don't want my cake is going to the right hand side. I want it should come back to the left hand side. So what will I do? What will I do? I need to check what coding I can do, what blocks I can use, so that once my cake is going over here, it comes back again. Anyone? Anyone can think? Yeah, think. Anyone?
Ma'am, use a backwards and frontwards
Oh,
one. Matlab,
okay,
the backwards
okay.
to different
Very
one.
nice. Chalo, let me see what can I use. I'll go step by step. I'll go step by step. In motion, I have turning part. I have rent, go to this, glide. No, I don't need pointing towards. I don't need all this. Look, this is of no use. Yes. Can you see this? If on edge, bounce. Can you see this? Bounce back. Can you see this? Yes, I'll take this. Now let me see what happens. Now let me click on the green flag. Oh my God, what happened? Look what is happening. Now it is inverted. But do I want inverted cake? Do I want inverted cake? Yeah? Tell me.
No.
No, so what should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Tell me. I
Press
have
the
to
red
press
button.
this. Yes, I have to. Yes. So look, what will I do?
Ma'am, press the red button.
Yes, wait. It's not here.
Ma'am, this is a very fun class.
Yes. Look, it's moving only. What should I do to stop this? Anyone? Can you tell me? Just give me, yeah, kids, just give me 2 minutes. Huh? Just give me 2 minutes.
Oh, it's keep on moving. It's not stopping. Stop.
So I'll stop it. It stopped.
Stop it. Stop.
I'll take it over here. Come back to your place. The cake is moving a lot. Now, the problem is I don't want my cake to get inverted. So what will I do over here?
What?
I don't want my cake to get inverted. It should move straight. From left to right, it should move straight. What should I do? Anyone? You have to think, you have to see which code fits the best. Go on. There should be a block naming
Add
left and right. No,
Add birthday gift.
no, birthday gift I'll add. Wait.
Mama, in this birthday, we're going to my
Okay.
birthday, we're going to go
Nope.
my birthday to Funky Monkey with all your friends.
Yes, I got it. Set rotation left and right. I want my cake to, now look, kids, look. Look what is happening. The cake got, it is not getting inverted. Now my cake is straight in its position and moving left to right. Yes. Now what else you want to add into this? Tell me. What else
Like
you want to add into this?
dancing,
Sound?
dancing.
Do you want to add sound? Yeah, tell me. Wait, I'll just
Yes.
wait. I'll just
Sound.
look,
Sound.
look,
Man,
look at
add
the
a
screen.
little pizza and you're not adding.
So Fatima, can I say this is my animated content? This is my animated thing. Yes. Yes. So this is basically animation, but I am creating, and you can also create using Scratch. Now look.
Sir, can you please? Can you pretty please? Ma'am, does the please send me the classroom? Pretty please. I want to do it.
Now, what am I doing? But the problem over here is the candles are not blowing. What should I do? I want my candles should blow. So,
you can put a blowing.
How should I put it? That is the question. How should I put it? How should I do it? Anyone? Yeah, Fatima, do you have idea? Yes.
Press the red button.
Wait.
Press the red button.
Red button, no. Okay, first let me put a sound. Let me put a sound.
Put sound now. Put
Yes.
sound now. Put sound now. Everyone stay on mute.
Yes. Can you hear
I
it?
want to hear it. Yeah.
But it's
Ma'am,
not.
cannot hear
I
it.
want it
Please mute
continuous.
everyone.
I want it continuously.
No,
So
ma'am,
what
I
will do?
cannot hear.
Yeah, you cannot
I
hear.
want
Okay,
it
wait. I'll let you know how. Wait. Huh? I want this sound should be forever. I want this sound should be forever. So look. What happened? Oh, now everyone can hear it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Candles have blown. Ma'am, I cannot hear it.
Wait. Everybody first mute yourself. Look. Now can you hear it?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, I'm doing it. Okay, it's done. So here the problem is only once the sound, like we can hear the sound and then it is gone. But I want in continuous. I want that this should be continuous. So look, what will I do? Moment I'll click on the button.
Forever.
Yes, I did forever. Forever, it's right, beta. But the problem is it's just going once only. So moment when I click, it should go forever. Look. Oh my God. What's the problem? What type of sound is this? Wait.
Ma'am, please mute everyone. I cannot hear anything.
Wait, I have muted. Wait, huh? Why is it like wait, huh, kids? I'll put this.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Yeah, wait.
Already.
Now can you hear it? Look. Now everybody can hear it? Is it? Can you hear the sound? Look.
The water start from.
Look.
What is here?
Look. Yeah, everyone can see this. I have added sound to my. I have added sound. My animation. I'm stopping over here. Okay, now look. What else do you want me to add over here? Tell me. What else do you want me to add over here? Anyone? I have added sound, but the candles are not glowing. Yeah, candles. Yeah, tell me. Candles, na? Yeah, candles are not there. Even I am finding it's very empty. Oh, code. Now I'll go to looks. Why it's not opening? Who's doing that? Okay, I'll add the candles. So yes. Look, kids, I got it. What are we going to do? Next costume. Moment you take this block, just click on this. Can you see? Can you see the flame? The flame on the candles?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now I'll add it to this block. Now look, I'll start playing.
When the class ends, I will how much time is left for class to end.
Yes. Look, the candles are blowing.
Ma'am, how much time is left for class to end?
11:40, beta. Look, candles are blowing. Can you see
How
this?
much time is left for class to end?
5 to 6 minutes. Okay, now tell me, what else do you want me to add into this? I have taken a cake, candles, balloons. Yeah, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What else we can do? Yeah, what? What do you want?
What? Any person.
What? Edit person. Okay, chalo. I'll just stop this. So in this way, you can create a short animation for yourself. We will do story also next
Ma'am,
time.
when is exam going to start? Because my mother
Probably
said
the dates are not fixed yet. The dates are not fixed yet.
I love exams actually.
Oh, wow. Okay, what do you want me to add? Chalo, tell me. What do you want me to add?
Ma'am, add people.
Okay.
Without people.
What's the party without people? Very nice, huh?
Yeah.
Very nice. Which people you want me to add? See, there are these people.
Add
Okay,
a girl,
you
add a girl,
can
a
add your
boy,
picture
like
also. You can add your picture also. Okay, how many
Okay, add
messages I got?
Ma'am, add the ballerina.
Yeah,
And
even I like
the
that. Ballerina, even I like that.
Add that girl and that walking girl and that.
Just wait, huh? Just wait. Actually, I don't know what is the problem. The net is very slow at my.
Ma'am, network issue is going on from my end.
Kids, please excuse me. My net is actually little bit slow, so I'll be little slow. I'm trying to select this character ballerina, but I'm unable to do it. Yeah, I'm there. Wait, I got some problem. Hello.
Ma'am, I can hear you, but I cannot see your screen and you.
Okay. Actually, I think there is some problem in the Zoom meeting.
Ma'am,
yeah.
log out and log in.
Okay. Now it came. Now it's proper. There is some internet issue at my side. Okay, I'll take ballerina. It got it. And ballerina is dancing. Look, I took ballerina.
Ma'am,
So what do you want the ballerina to do?
I want the ballerina to dance.
Okay. Okay. Now listen, kids. We did till here till ballerina. Okay. Now I'll just stop sharing this. ठीक है, look. Can you hear the voice?
Yes, ma'am, I can
Yes.
hear your voice.
Now, next time we meet,
I am also see.
yeah, next time when we meet, we are going to make ballerina
Ma'am,
dance.
I love you and I love this class so much.
Thank you, Zaya. Love you too. Okay, listen, Fatima, Zaya, Taha. I will give everyone chance. I will give everyone chance, and they have to make an animation. ठीक है, little bit, whatever you want. I'm not saying you should be perfect. Okay, you can give a try. ठीक है, when we meet next.
Can you send the Google Classroom and the instructions how to
Sure, sure. I will. Look, I have already sent.
Ma'am, see my animation.
Sure.
If you have any questions or
We will also
queries,
study how to do video editing. We will also study that. And listen kids, next time what we will do, I will frame. Wow, who did that? Hamza. Lovely. Hamza, lovely. Beta, listen. Zaya, lots of hugs and kisses to you as well, beta. Listen, next time we'll make a story. You'll enjoy a thirsty crow, a horse or the turtle, the lion and the mouse, okay? We will make a story.
we will make a story out of annotation.
Yes, we will make story in scratch.
Awesome.
Okay? Okay, you'll love it. Fine? Chalo, till then, bye. Take care. Yeah?
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Take care.